Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Shopee promotion cannot be redeemed. If your Shopee promotion or voucher isn't redeeming at checkout, the first thing you need to figure out is why it's being rejected. From my experience, it's usually a rule or limit that's easy to miss. Shopee only allows up to two voucher types per order. That typically means one platform voucher, like free shipping, coins cashback, or a site-wide discount, and one shop-specific voucher from the seller. If you're trying to stack more than that, the system simply won't allow it. Before applying any code, I always tap on the Terms and Conditions section. This shows important details like minimum spend requirements, valid dates, eligible products, payment method restrictions, and usage limits. Sometimes the voucher looks active, but it's only valid for certain stores or categories. Other common reasons: the promo may have expired, your card items may not qualify, or you've been attempting to use a new user voucher on a device that previously logged into another account. In rare cases, flag phone numbers can also prevent redemption. Double check these factors, adjust your card if needed, and try again. Most voucher issues come down to eligibility rules. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.